Two teams. Mr. Maximum, Yuvraj Singh, was fit again and he replaced Dinesh Karthik. For the Aussies, Mr. Injured, Shane Watson, was out and Brad Haddon came in. Here's the Indian innings.
Bit of width. First boundary for India. Listen to this. Gambia offside. Finds the boundary.
May mean that you edge it and get caught behind the wicket. But if you get it right, that's what happens.
Outside edge. Races away. And another boundary. Or India just starting to move. Pulled away. Leg side. Should get there. Yes, it does. Need some boundaries, India.
Superb. That's typical Sehwag. I was going to say he doesn't have to run for this one. It doesn't matter if it doesn't go to the rope. He's not running for any of them at the moment because he's got. He's gone this time. There seemed to be an edge. The shot was on, but the extra bounce is what did Sehwag. So it's 9 for Sehwag, the dangerous Sehwag walking back now at 30 for 1. It's the new bowler who's done it. Mitchell Johnson, a little bit of extra bounce. He uses the left armour angle and a feather top edge through to Adam Gill. That's a good shot. He's a good striker, strong player, Uthappa. Gets away. Oh, he's got hold of that, and there is a man in the deep. Brilliant catch. Gambhir will consider himself unlucky. Hodge was the man there, and that's a really good catch because it came out of the crowd. It was flat, but he's judged it. To tell you what, it was unbelievable. He fell over before he got back to his feet. It's 41 for 2. Just have a look at this. Hopefully we'll pick him up. He falls over or slips, then he has to get up, but that is unbelievable. Yuvraj sends it into the crowd. Well, just from where he left the other night against England. Terrific shot. And a great effort in the deep. Saved a certain boundary. Yuvraj goes into the crowd. That's massive. Right. Let's have another look. If that's not the longest 6, it's going to be very close.
This is Yuvraj unleashed. Absolutely unleashed. Uthappa's gone for it now. That'll go all the way. Yes, it does. This crowd has come alive and this match has gone. Huge. Why do we have boundaries here?
His natural swing, and look at that, it's dented the roof.
Yuvraj has again cleared the boundary. Only just this time.
Well, they'll give it everything.
Out of the ground. By some distance. You cannot drop your length by an inch. 17 from the over, 21 from the over. Yuvraj has gone for... Man will watch it. Under it, he thought he was. Robin Uthappa said,
big distance. Stepping down the pitch as if to a spinner, and look how deep into the stands it's gone. Meters that was.
How high is this one? I don't think it's long enough. Or is it? It is. Oh, he backed himself to hit it. What a moment in this match. Well done, Andrew. Andrew Simons. He paused for a while. He told the wicketkeeper, "Where are you?" So Robin Uttapa's fine innings comes to an end. 34 from 28. It's 125 for 3.
Dhoni down the ground. So strong.
That job you talked about, Lloydie. Selling Indian flags.
Flag selling. Here's another boundary. You make a fortune. Mason's.
Oh, catch!
Over the top. Another boundary. Andy Simons cannot stop this. Yeah, thought so. Thought so. Still in the air. Air time.
Well, they used to talk about Michael Jordan's hang time. That sure had some. Oh, that's a great piece of willow.
Goes again. Doesn't get it. Doesn't get it. He's a goner. Yes, he is. The gamble's paid off. He's got the big man Yuvraj Singh. Michael Clark into the attack. Hit for 6. Wicket next ball. Gilchrist went for the gamble. Lost the 6 but got his man. 155 for 4. Dhoni this time. Look at the power. Heaved into the leg side. Fielders converge all the way. Yes!
Dhoni, that's a long part of the ground. I tell you what, he doesn't cheat himself when he has a swing. It's no wonder he's got a crook back.
Slow delivery again. Leg side, it's another boundary. Dhoni, he's the man. Oh, they're all at it. They're all at it. Slow delivery, excellent bowling. Run through to the keeper, Dhoni. I'm not sure he's there. I'm not sure that Dhoni's there. Dead eye from Gilchrist.
Excellent work from Adam Gilchrist. Dhoni must have got a really good start there, but it's not enough.
Oh, might get away with something here. Leg buys will do. Is it going to go? Oh, what a finish to the innings. Johnson's bowled really well that last over. It's going to be leg buys. Anything will do for India, and they finish at 188 for 5.
Indian batsman Mahendra Singh Dhoni, the captain, 36 from 18 deliveries. But wow, Yuvraj yet again.
Gilchrist the man on strike. And a full leaden delivery to start off. Sweetly timed, first boundary for Gilchrist. That was juicy on middle and leg. And put away. And climbing into that. Not even bothering to run. That's muscular from Hayden. Picked away on the onside. That's 6. Wristy flick from Gilchrist.
Here he goes. Favourite shot of Gilchrist, helping it on its way. It's that leg stump again. Singh hoping it swings, it doesn't. Well, it swings on Gilchrist.
Well, he's a feisty character, Srishant, that's for sure.
It's a good tussle. I love it. I love it. Don't you love?
Pressure building.
He's saying he's begging.
Again, chipped away on the onside. He'll get the boundary, Gilchrist. He's just got to get his line a little. That's in the air. Should land safely. And in fact, it's cleared the boundary. Just about, I think. Just for a minute. That's well struck. So much better Hayden when he hits down the ground.
Knocked him over! What a big wicket! When he bowls line and length and swings the ball, he's a fine bowler. Let the ball do the talking, young man, and you'll bowl like that. Gilchrist gone for 22. Australia 36 for 1.
Well, if the umpire don't give a decision to your satisfaction, knock the stumps over. That's as conclusive as anything.
Expect something big here. Yes. I haven't seen Matthew Hayden play a shot like that, I must confess. He just is. Fine leg was inside the circle, handy runs. Massive. Show me a six bigger than this in this tournament. It's gone to Peter Maritzburg.
That Hayden's not going. This is the slower delivery and whacked away. This is what Matthew Hayden is famous for. Big. That's another big one into the crowd.
18 from the over. Australia. Taken. The batsman's got to go surely. He waited for a while. Almost as if he was expecting 11.
How often in this tournament have you seen a catch being taken in that position when batsmen have tried to help for the...
To get a hand to it. Oh, it's gone. He did the difficult part and then let it go through.
Ball just bouncing off. That can happen. Can't always be in control of the ball when you're diving for it.
That's in the air and clears Harbhajan. He's a strong man, Andrew Simons. Hayden takes the aerial route. And it's 6, easy. In fact, goes down the ground. One bounce to long off. They'll come back for the second. Get it easily. 12 overs bowled, and the 100 comes up for Australia. That's a full toss, and it gets the treatment. Then to the crowd. Balls, he'll go for it. He gets it in the gap and pull back nicely. Robin Uthappa, the fielder there. That's in the air, and Hayden makes it 20 for the over. Expensive one from India's point of view. 120 for 2. Simons in the air this time. Will clear the boundary. That'll be 4. It's gone away fine. Third man 2 square. Bowled in. Off stump out of the ground, and Srishant does the job for his captain. Brought back into the attack. 62 of 47. 134 for 3.
But he's put Australia in a position to win the game. That's exactly what India needed. They need another one fairly quickly. But it has opened the game up again.
Pulled away. It doesn't bother to move. Andrew Simons, immensely strong. Oh, that's a big hit. That's 6. Don't even have to look. Right out of the middle. Right out of the screws. Bowled in! Andrew Simons was the one that India wanted. 43 Australia, 156 for 4. Bowled in! Harbhajan, give it to me. I'll bowl it. Harbhajan turns the game once again on its head. Harbhajan Singh, off spinner, gets Clark. 159 for 5. Swing and a miss. Doesn't get it. Doesn't get it. Is that one? No, it's not. High in the air, third man. Takes the catch. Hussey dives bravely. Injured Hussey. It's Yuvraj, would you believe it? It must be destiny. India, are they pumped? Bowled in! Brett Lee, just a swing, going through the motion. They needed 20 from 2. They need 20. Bouncer pulled away, leg side, it's 4. It doesn't matter. It's India! More importantly, it's India versus Pakistan in the final on Monday. Look at these scenes.
What an atmosphere, what a victory by India. 188 for 5 from their 20 overs. Australia 173 for 7. Matthew Hayden made 62, Andy Simons 43. Srisanth was outstanding, 2 for 12.